Well, first, the latest in Prime Minister's Himalayan diplomacy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi won the hearts and minds of Nepalese people when he began his gripping address to Parliament in Nepali language and his grassroots connect by meeting people on the streets of Kathmandu. Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also announced $1 billion as concessional line of credit to Nepal and has proposed a hit formula for its development. Here's more from day one of Prime Minister's visit to Kathmandu.
Kathmandu rolling out the red carpet, even breaching protocol to pull out all the stops to welcome India's newly elected Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But the significance of this visit in 17 years was experienced like no other time, when thousands thronged the streets to get a glance of India's Prime Minister. Har Har Modi chants ringing in the air as his supporters from the neighborhood gathered to express support. Modi too playing to the gallery, winning over several hearts as he got out to greet his supporters, his connect leaving the crowd almost frenzied. But the masterstroke came from the parliament as his speech struck an emotional chord with the leaders across party lines.
Brilliant, excellent speech, and he has touched the core issues that was needed to be touched. So he raised the issue of cooperation between Nepal and India. He has extended his hands of cooperation for the people of Nepal, and we must not lose the opportunity.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi may have spoken of his hit formula, but his speech here at the Constituent Assembly in Nepal has been termed a hit. From Madhav Kumar Nepal, former Prime Minister, to Prachand, across the political spectrum, the Prime Minister's speech has been received well. Lawmakers say they feel enthused by his speech. They're happy that India is cooperating in the journey of Nepal's development, not as a big brother, but as an equal partner. With cameraman Kirpal Singh, Gaurav Sawant in Kathmandu for Headlines Today.
Well, Gaurav Sawant, our Strategic Affairs Editor, is joining us this morning from Kathmandu. Good morning, Gaurav. Well, Prime Minister winning a lot of hearts in Nepal yesterday with his address in the Assembly, speaking in Nepali and also extending that credit line to Nepal. Just take us through what really are his plans for day two of this visit.
We are at the Pashupatinath temple and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected here in a while from now. Tremendous excitement in the air for this special devotee from India. If you look around me, there's a massive deployment of security forces given the tension, the security that the Prime Minister enjoys. Large number of devotees have been here from early in the morning waiting to speak to Prime Minister Narendra Modi or at least catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister will arrive here. There's a special puja, a Rudrabhishek, for which dry fruits, lotus stems, a lot of other items have already been brought here. Several Brahmin Pandits will carry out the Rudrabhishek puja for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's expected to spend about half an hour at that puja. Now, not only is this a visit of a Prime Minister after 17 long years for bilateral talks, this is the first time that a Prime Minister will actually carry out a Rudrabhishek at the Pashupatinath temple. A massive media contingent from Nepal, from India, from actually across the world that is here for a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in all of this, the Prime Minister is also expected to spend some time with devotees here at the temple, Ruchika.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi re-energizing old ties with Nepal. Gaurav Sawant, many thanks for joining us. We'll of course keep coming back to you to get the very latest from Kathmandu on day two of the Prime Minister's visit.